yo, what's fucking good? Hey, yo, what's fucking good? Today we have a fucking 200-piece chicken nugget challenge. I got Diogo, I got Israel. Let's fucking do this shit. What's a gourmet restaurant? Alright, so we're heading to Burger King right now. Go buy 200 chicken nuggets.
Yo, hold up, check this. We got the scooter line.
We just got our Burger King. Yo, look at this germaphobe. Yo, I'll be back. I'm with my bath salts. Made the Burger King. We're about to order. All my doubters, fuck you. Let's get this shit.
Can I have the whole fucking store?
No, you can't.
Do you guys have burritos? Thick
Roll it right here.
This fine's got another burger. We got 200 chicken nuggets right now. Fresh, never frozen. Never frozen. We just got the chicken nuggets. Let's go. Fresh, never frozen. What's up, Holmes? We get your chicken nuggets. Whoa. This is my block, fool. On our way to Diogo's house right now.
Oh yeah.
To fucking destroy this shit. Look at this cheater.
What?
He's already eating them.
I'm blind.
I'm fucking tired. Almost there.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Yo, I'm stupid. You're sliding up right now?
Oh yeah.
It's pretty crazy.
Getting the dips. Oh yeah, where's my dips?
Sweet and sour. Oxymoron. Mr. Din, where you at?
Bro, what the fuck is he doing? What the fuck?
Sup, motherfuckers, we're back at the fucking pad. We got the chicken nuggets right here. Fresh from the fucking farm, never frozen. So let's get started. Alright, motherfuckers. Whoever wins gets fucking $5 motherfucking dollars. So let's get started. Motherfucker, subscribe.
Turn on those motherfucking notifications and like the damn video.
Don't just watch the fucking video, subscribe, motherfucker. Alright, let's get started.
All right.
Start.
But you can only eat one at a time. Like you can't get a bunch of them. So.
Alright, let's get started.
Alright.
Dude, why are you eating them already, fat ass bitch? I was like, getting ready. You're eating like 2 already. Let's start.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's fucking good.
It's the dream.
There's no seasoning.
Yeah, barbecue's not that good. This is way too sweet.
Josh in already. I'm winning, pussies. Fucking doubters.
It's so quiet.
What the fuck?
Fucking disgusting ass bitch.
What? This is the fucking, like, strategy. Alright, boys, this is fucking strategy. Get your chicken nugget. Put it in water. That's how you do it.
Dude. Dude, what the fuck are you doing?
Who's he? The winner. I'm a winner.
I'm a winner.
Disgusting.
How was it?
Add no flavor.
Dude, what the fuck? I'm gonna lose this shit.
I pause. I'll get some more water.
No.
Why not?
Look at him. You pussy. Oh, dude, I'm fucking full.
Did you guys add some?
Yes, he did. God, that ass I need to take a shit. Same, dude. The fucking it just tastes so salty.
We're back. These pussies have to heat up their shit. Pussies.
Yo, I think I have to take a shit. My stomach's rumbling. Oh, my stomach. Yo, I'm like that ass.
Fun fact. You know chickens can't fly? You know there's 3 ways to call water, H2O, and dihydrogen monoxide. Did you know that?
What?
Of course you didn't.
No
Fucker. What? You're calling our viewer a fucker?
I just want to throw up. Ishmael has an advantage. Like, he didn't eat something before.
We ate a burger.
Yeah. Dude, I might have to go shit. I'm gonna go take a shit.
Why?
Good. That fucking hurt. But
Yo, Diogo, hurry up.
hold up, I'm fucking shitting. Chill.
Is it?
Fuck.
Alright guys, we're gonna pull a prank real quick. Ugly setup. I got a couple more. Motherfucking water. Let's see if this enjoys this. Finally decided to come out.
Yo, you put some more on hot shit. That's just a war zone, dude. What the fuck is that?
What? I don't fucking know.
The vid. Yeah, what kind of sauce you put? Sriracha?
Sriracha. Alright, we're back.
What the fuck is in here? What the fuck? Why is there hot sauce? What the fuck? Dude, I'm gonna lose.
The losers had to take the hot sauce, right? Spicy swing. Go at it.
Dead ass. You should have the punishment, you know?
How did the other time?
A winner. I'm a winner.
Like, just give up. Just give up. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose already. Ishmael, you give up. Give up.
Can't eat those anymore.
Just give up, Isaac. Come on.
Well, the loser has to
Uh-huh.
drop of the hottest sauce. The fucking loser gets a drop of the hottest sauce in the motherfucking world. The water's so good.
You get mine burnt, bro. That's not fair. What the fuck?
Stop complaining.
What the fuck? These are nasty. I don't fucking recommend them.
Did you just call it quits and like you lost?
You lost. What the fuck? I'm still. I haven't gave up.
Neither have I. I'm waiting for you. How are you almost done?
You cheated. Nah.
Yeah, you had to cheat.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Like we
You
have
lost.
this much more, and we've been like going like crazy.
We have it.
Yeah. But you guys were all like, "Oh, you tried this sauce." I was like, totally. I won. I won. 0 left. Hurry up, pussies.
Stomach.
The fuck?
What the fuck? Just give up.
You.
Fuck no.
That's like my shit later.
The fuck?
What?
Whoa.
Oh, fuck. It's hype, like, if it's dropping right.
I give up, dude.
You up?
Yeah.
Yeah, boys. Alright, Diogo's the loser today.
Money. Alright, guys. Here's chicken nugget. Alright, guys. I'll let I put a drop. I'm gonna eat this shit. Holy shit, it's hot.
Move. Water?
Yeah.
Turn the scene.
Look at all the buffaloes. Fuck.
Alright, guys, that was a 200-piece chicken nugget challenge. And these 2 fuckers lost right here. Look at these quitters.
What the fuck?
This motherfucker cheated. Subscribe to the channel, NutBusters. Share. Subscribe. Fuck. Thursday night we lost a teammate, a friend, a brother, John Anaya. So there's a GoFundMe. Link's gonna be in the bio. So anything helps. Fly high.